A few months ago I stopped drinking beer, and more recently I stopped drinking coffee, believe it or not. I've been drinking kombucha quite a bit, and I've been reading about how to make it. You get one of these kombucha SCOBY things here, which is kind of like a vinegar mother. Mix it with tea and sugar. Well, I read that molasses and also sorghum extract is like a 1-to-1 ratio you could use instead of sugar. I've got, I think, 8 of these for making beer. And to make a 2-gallon batch of kombucha, use 2 cups. As you can see, I'll be able to get, looks like 4 batches out of one of those bottles. If I just do a 2-gallon batch. I used 15 bags of black tea, 15 bags of green tea, and I was reading about using hops in kombucha. Because one of the things I kind of missed from not drinking beer was the taste of hops. I'm just using leaf hops right here. I still have some pellet hops left, but these are a little easier to remove. Pellet hops take quite a bit of time. So I'm going to try and make hopped kombucha. I'll add some more sorghum to it after it's done fermenting, after the first stage, and then I'll bottle it, and that'll give it some carbonation, just like with beer, using it as a priming sugar. So this should be a fun little project. I'm hoping that I can basically empty out my 5-gallon kegs and start kegging kombucha and have that on tap, because like I said, I don't drink beer anymore, and my kegerator is just collecting dust. The thing I like about with kombucha is pretty much all the equipment I use for making beer with, and ingredients, I can use for kombucha, which is actually healthy. I can drink it all the time, any time of day, unlike beer. I'll post some updates. I'll show it in a fermenter with the kombucha SCOBY, and then I'll show it after it's done doing that, and I do the secondary, and then when I bottle it, so on. So this will be another one of those multi-part videos.